Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park, Toledo, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. Now the most notable features on this Touring is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your backup camera along with your power liftgate. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Touring is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look at the front hood, you're going to see your hood deflector. Over on the side you have your 16-inch wheels. Now I'm just going to quickly show you what your second row is going to look like. So if we open it up here, the nice thing is with your second row is you have captain seats there, and you also have the stow and go seatings, which allows you to actually store the seats just underneath the floor at the front here. And then if we take a look, you also have the window controls just on the side there as well. And then you also find the close button just on the side here as well. So all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Vice versa, if you wanted to actually close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close automatically for you. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is red, and to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black cloth interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on the left hand side here, you are going to see your light controls, and then you also find your mirror controls, window controls both your front and rear windows with your window locks and power locks. And taking a closer look at some of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel, you'll find your voice recognition with your Bluetooth scroll function, and then over on your right hand side you'll find your cruise control settings. Now if we take a look at the multi-informational display here, you're going to see a couple of different options on here. So as you can see, you have a digital compass as well as an exterior temperature gauge, and then you can also scroll through and take a look at a couple of other additional features on here as well. So taking a look, you have your fuel economy, vehicle speed, trip info, and a couple of other additional features. Now, taking a closer look at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options, which include your AM, FM, as well as your satellite radio. And then if you take a look on the side here, you do have your USB and auxiliary input. You have your analog clock, and then if we take a look down a little bit further, you'll find your temperature control settings with your heated seat controls and your heated steering wheel control. You also have your eco on, hazard lights, as well as your traction control on and off. And up top you'll see your auto dimming rear view mirror, and a couple of the controls you'll see up top here include your power sliding rear doors with your open and close for your power liftgate, and you'll also find your integrated garage door opener and your sunglass case holder with an additional mirror on the inside just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. Now just to give you a quick idea of what your backup camera is going to look like, I'm just going to throw it into reverse there. As you can see, you have those nice guiding lines there, making things much easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left hand side, and then you'll find your rear hatch release located just underneath your emblem there. Now I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now taking a look, you have a 60-40 split for your third row, so in the event that you do need the additional space. If you take a look on the back of the straps here, you can see that they're all numbered, as well as on the top here. So this first one's actually for your headrest, so you want to make sure that's folded down first. And then over on the side you'll find this one, so if you hit that, it'll actually fold the seat down for you. And then if you pull on this third one here, it'll lock it into place. That way you can actually fold down this seat here, making things much easier for yourself when in the long run, especially when you need the additional cargo space in that. And then to fold it back up, just pull on this piece here, fold it up to the top. Now you want to make sure that you pull on the second piece here. You don't want to pull on the third one. So pull on the third and then the second, and it's going to still do that for you. So you want to make sure that it's locked into place, and then pull the strap up. So you don't want to pull any of those straps to the bottom first. So once you have it folded up and locked into place, then just pull on the strap on the back just to make sure it's folded up for you. Now, if you take a look over on the side there, you also have that emergency flashlight, and then you'll find your power tailgate release just located up top here on your left-hand side. All you have to do is push on the button once and it'll close automatically for you, making things much easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.